Mr. Naidu, you are one of the youngest cabinet ministers ever in the history of India. When a young leader like you is given a very, very important portfolio, how would you approach this kind of ministry?
It's a great honor to be one of the youngest ministers in the present cabinet, and I'm very grateful to my boss, Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu, the leader of TDP, who has been continuously encouraging youth into politics, and he is my guide and guru.
How was your first meeting as a minister with Prime Minister Modi?
The first cabinet that we went in, Modi ji handed over one sealed cover, sealed envelopes, and he said, your ministry is inside that. So he said, once we finish the meeting, you can open it and you can discuss with me anything related to the ministry. So I went to him. I said, sir, मेरे को civil aviation मिला है. Then he was like, I know that you got civil aviation. And he was like, it is a very important ministry for me and the country also.
What is your vision for this ministry, say, for next 5 years?
We have increased the number of airports in the country. We have increased the number of flights in the country, the aircraft fleet. The way I am envisioning for the next 5 years is that while you continuously keep the momentum of building new airports, how do you bring passenger-centric services into these airports? Which is now, I want to put it in the front and say that MRO business is one of the best countries to get it done is India. We have $2 billion industry right now in MRO space. In the next 5 years, we want to make it $4 billion industry so that the job creation activity around civil aviation also improves. And I feel my biggest strength as a minister is that I've been a passenger for so long. So that is the experience that I bring to the ministries.
Yeran Naidu साहब, he was also a cabinet minister. उनकी legacy को आप आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं. ये जो genetic political genes हैं, ये कितनी मदद करते हैं आपकी?
I see that comparison that you talk about is always going to be there. I think it has helped me a lot with the kind of system he has already built in, but it only stays with you for a certain point of time. After that, it is you who has to continue and take the complete responsibility of it.